Best air compressors of 2024, for home, car, and garage use. Air compressors can help with a variety of DIY projects around the house. Air compressors are useful tools to have around, especially if you do DIY home renovations or work with pneumatic tools like sanders or air drills on a regular basis. Before you write an air compressor off is not necessary for your lifestyle. Take into account how many uses they have. An air compressor is a great addition to most homes. Because it allows homeowners to inflate tires, always have pressurized air on hand, and use all kinds of pneumatic tools, says Mattis Buzelis, auto expert and president of the Association of Automotive at Car Vertical. Traditional oil compressors are relatively cheap and very durable. But oil-free air compressors are quieter, don't require any maintenance, and don't contaminate the air, so they're great for spraying paint or even supplying medical equipment. Even a portable 12-volt air compressor could also do the trick for the most basic needs. We researched the best air compressors for both home and industrial use and looked at technicalities such as type, tank size, maximum PSI pounds per square inch, and noise levels. We also asked Buzelis for deeper insight so shoppers can choose the model that's right for them. Number 1. DeWalt 6-gallon pancake air compressor. Best overall. The DeWalt 6-gallon pancake air compressor is our top recommendation for the best air compressor, because it has useful features for homeowners and professionals alike. It offers a high 165 psi rate of 2.6 CFM, which should provide the power you need for tasks like drilling, airbrushing, or driving nails into a wall. In addition, this DeWalt has a strong 120 volts motor that can run smoothly for hours at a time. A flow regulator located on the body directs airflow from the tank to your equipment. Plus, it's specially designed to work in cold weather, which is beneficial. Many air compressors become damaged when temperatures dip. We appreciate that it comes with 2 universal couplers on its body, so you can use it with multiple tools at the same time. In terms of noise level, it sounds off at 75.5 decibels, about the same noise level as a dryer, which is tolerable, and shouldn't be too loud if you're working indoors. Keep in mind that although the company claims it's portable, it weighs 30 pounds and has no wheels, so it can be quite heavy to move around. Number 2. Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volts cordless 1-gallon air compressor. Best portable. This 18 volts Ryobi air compressor is extremely portable, cordless, and lightweight. You can take it anywhere and not have to fuss with finding an outlet. It also has built-in storage at the base to hold nozzle accessories, which we think is pretty handy if you're on the go. Another standout feature is that it uses the same battery that powers over 280 Ryobi tools. It has a max pressure of 120 psi, making it good to use with small pneumatic tools like drills or sanders, and for inflating tires and toys. For industrial use, you probably need a more powerful option, but it's a great choice for general use. The air compressor is designed to be extremely compact, and features a pistol grip handle that can conveniently be strapped to your bike or comfortably held in your hand. A 20-inch high air pressure hose, and 2 pressure gauges track the amount of pressure you use. Number 3. Craftsman 6-gallon pancake air compressor with accessory kit. Best electric. If you're looking for a lightweight air compressor that's easy to use, an electric model like this one from Craftsman could be a viable option. There is no need to worry about constantly refilling the tank with gas or charging a battery. Just plug it in and let it go. It has a manageable pancake shape and is oil-free, meaning it won't need regular maintenance. And while it's not exactly portable, it weighs 30 pounds. It is one of the smaller air compressors you can find on the market. It holds up to 6 gallons of stored air and features a 150 psi, which is strong enough to blow away dust and metal shards when cleaning. It also includes a 13-piece accessory set with a PVC hose, inflator adapters, and assorted blowgun types with plugs. Although there are options to buy other tools with it as well, there are 2 couplers on the body, so more than one person can use it at a time. Also, like most oil-free compressors, it's easy to start in cold weather. While this is not the best air compressor for commercial use, it's still a solid option for small garage projects and DIY work. Just be conscious that at 78.5 decibels, the Craftsman is loud, which tends to come with the territory when using an air compressor. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Quiet Air Compressor. Best quiet. Although air compressors have a reputation for being noisy, the Milwaukee M18 won't give you a headache. We appreciate that it is relatively quiet, with a 68 decibel noise output, which means that you can use it indoors or have a conversation. Even when it's running. For perspective, the M18 is less noisy than an average vacuum or lawn mower when it's on. You'll like that it's battery powered and doesn't need long extension cords or gas to use. Like many tools in the Milwaukee line, it is portable and has a small 2-gallon capacity, so you can move it around where you need to use it. This does mean you might have to refill it more often. Though, the machine has a brushless motor, which provides more torque and reduces noise levels. Additionally, the M18 comes with nail gun equipment that lets you hammer 1600 brad nails per charge. You can use its lithium battery to power other Milwaukee tools, so you don't have to spend money on extra batteries if you're a fan of the brand. Keep in mind that, since its tank holds 2 gallons, it might not be the best air compressor for bigger jobs. While the manufacturer says it's lightweight and easy to carry, we think this is subjective, as the body weighs about 50 pounds and there are no wheels. Number 5. California Air Tools 8010 Oil-Free Air Compressor. Best industrial. Besides having the reputation of being one of the quietest models, it's only 60 decibels. The California Air Compressor 8010 is one of the best air compressors. Because it's designed for industrial use, it features a 1 horsepower running motor that functions at 1680 RPM. This basically means that you'll get less wear and tear on the motor because it's efficient and powerful. It's also good for cleaning metal and wood shavings from tools like chainsaws and mowers. You can also use it to inflate tires of all sizes. What makes this model different from your average home air compressor is a dual piston pump system. With a life cycle of over 3,000 hours, this is an oil-free air compressor, so it's able to work efficiently in both hot and cold temperatures. The tank has an 8-gallon capacity and weighs about 48 pounds. It also comes with wheels to quickly move it around. The airflow rate is 3 CFM at 120 psi, which is the maximum pressure rate you'll find in most air compressors. It is on the small side, so you might find yourself refilling it frequently. It comes with a limited 1-year warranty. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.